Hello, hello! Today we're going to have a J-Ports haul. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. And then for this particular one, I do have our videos just for you. It's already set to go and you are welcome to watch it on your own time, and do not forget to subscribe, like the video, and comment below if you have any questions, comments, or violent reactions. Hello, hello! This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. We're going to have a J-Ports haul. This one is I love them because this one is the second-hand store that you can go online on Facebook and you're able to find second-hand luxury items that you want. Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Prada, and then all the things that you would think of. They do sell that one in there. If you haven't seen that one, go on their Facebook. It's called J-Ports. And then every night they do have an auction that's going on for you guys to check it out. Anyways, let's go on to this one. This one is this is a long time ago. This is probably like 3 months ago, but I haven't opened some of this one because I didn't have the time. But for this particular one, I'm going to show this to you guys. So this one are the things that I got. I'm going to disclose all the prices on this one so you'll get inspired, so that when you're encouraged to go there on their website, on their Facebook page, so that you're able to see it yourself, and then if you're encouraged to do so, you can buy stuff from there. So this one is the scarf. It's $139. Let's see how it is. So this one is $139. Let's see how gorgeous this is. I think I bought this one. I don't remember what I bought already. So this one, Sebastian is not here today because of course he's in Paris, but I'm going to see him at the end of the month. So check out our blog. We're going to have a lot of blog for you guys, so check that out. And then this one is, oh, this one is, I know this, I remember this now. This one is a scarf, silk, for $139. So there's the price, so that you know it, and then you're not being fooled by it. This one is particularly from Chanel. So this one is the scarf, and it's 100% silk. But look at that, it's just a tad dirty. So let me see if I can clean that up. Yeah, I guess I'm going to wash it or something. But here's the tag. The tag here, it says 100% silk, made in Italy, dry clean only. So there you go. And then there's the Chanel logo right there, and it screams Chanel because of all gold and all the logos are all over the place. So that's nice, and it's a tad dirty. If you're going to look on, probably you'll see it on here. So yeah, on this particular one, but we can hand wash this, and then let's see how is that gonna work. So that's number one that we got. So let's put that one on the floor. So for $139, this is what you're going to get, an authentic Chanel, and then it says here Chanel, or Chanel. There we go. And then there's no runs. That's a good thing. There's no runs or anything. And then it's hand stitched on the side. And then I don't see any runs on here. It's just that it's a tad dirty on this particular side. So yeah. So that's one. This one I already opened this, and then this one is a scarf, a pin, and a pen. Do you want to guess what this one is from? You already know. If you know me, if you follow me on Instagram or my channel, you already know what this one is all about. So this is the scarf that I got. I think this one is the one that I'm going to give my mother. And then this one is a... What is this one? This one is an accident. So this is the scarf. And then this one is from Louis Vuitton, of course. And then this one is 100% cotton, made in Italy. There you go. And then this one is the pink and white and black. So at least there's no runs on this one, so that's good. And let's see if they do have at least a Louis Vuitton somewhere. Oh, there you go. There's a... That was nice. There's a Louis Vuitton right there, so which is good. So my mom can wear it. It's a long one. This one, it is $200. So it is $200 right there. So I think it's worth it. It's Christmas gift for my mother, so which is really good. I hope she will love it, even though it's second hand. But look at this one. It's a second hand, but it's really nice, right? So, and then there's the cute ones on here too. This one is the one I'm really looking forward to because I was looking for a lot of stores and stuff. And then this one is the Louis Vuitton pen. Ta-da! I know I'm kind of like going crazy about all this, but how are you gonna... So it says here it says here Louis Vuitton. I don't know if you can see that, but it says on here is Louis Vuitton, and then it says here made in France, and then on the bottom it says there made in France. So this one is a really tiny one. This one is good for your agenda. So this one is that for this particular one. This agenda, I got this one from them too, and then I use this one for business cards. So this one you can put that one on here like so. There you go. There you go. So cute. But let's see if that one will... Let's see if that one will write. But I don't know how you pull it. You pull it like... I cannot open it. This is a challenge right there. Oh, shish. There's always a first time, right? You don't pull it here because the tendency is that when you see this, you kind of like think that this is the cap or this is the cap. So I was trying to pull this one. I was not able to. It's a twist. Duh. It's a twist one. There's always a first time, right? So yeah. So let's see if that's gonna write. And then, and the color is black. So yeah, and it writes good. So there you go. Yeah. So it's a twist one. It's not, so you use it like that then, I guess, because it twists. So yeah. I wonder how are you going to refill this. So probably that's the cheapest thing that we can get at Louis Vuitton, the ink inside. So we'll stay tuned on that. The second one, because I do collect pens, I have tons of pens from them. So this one is my collection of pens. So I do have this one from VVV, this one, the airplane. I got this one, Louis Vuitton. So I collect a lot of pens, and then the truck. And then And then when I went to Louis Vuitton X, my dear friend Madame MM Style Icon, and then also JVA, they hooked me up with a client advisor. So they gave me this and this. This one are limited ones. So this one is limited to the Louis Vuitton X exhibition, and then another one. So now I went to J-Ports, and they do have a Louis Vuitton pin, and I said I have to get that. So the price of the pin, the price of the pen is $100. So it's right there. So that we're going to be so transparent with you guys. And then this one, this particular pin, let's see if what's in it. So it says here the number of it, and then made in Italy. So I don't know if you're going to see that, but there you go. So yeah, there you go. Louis Vuitton, made in Italy. And then, so it's a pin that you can put on here and stuff. So I do collect pins. If you do have, if I do have pin collectors in the audience, hi. We have a lot of pins from Louis Vuitton that you can collect, and then J-Ports does have sometimes once in a blue moon they do have pins that they auction in on their website. So this is the pin. That's really cute. I love it. And then this one is $105, the one in the middle. So yeah, there we go. So the last one, this one is a project bag. Probably I'm going to send this one to the Louis Vuitton stores to repair. So hello Myra, my client advisor, my repair lady at Louis Vuitton. So I'm going to send this to her. This one is $121. This is a tote bag, and I already said that this one is a Louis Vuitton item. So let's check this out, because this one has been a while. So, and this one is really a project bag. So this one, because when I saw it, I was like, oh, that was so cute. So let's see that, because this one is the bag. So this one is the, oh, look at that. Oh my, oh wow, this is not a project bag. This is a nice bag. Oh, it's a project bag because of the inside, because inside it's sticky right there. So I don't know the name of this one, but for sure I'm going to send this to Myra, and then probably change the lining of it, because you can really smell it already. If you're here right now, you can really smell it. And then this one is Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France, right there. And then it does have this attached cord or whatever that. It's sticky already inside, so I cannot really do anything with it. And I don't want to touch this and touch this one, because it will show on that. And then it does have, so which is nice. And then the bachetta of this one is really nice. Look at that one. This one is 100, how much is it? This one is $141. So there you go. So it's $141. It's a project bag. Everything is nice. I'm going to send this to her. But look at the canvas of it. It's nice. There's no cracking or anything aside from the handles. The handles, yes, probably we're going to replace that. But the lip of this one, of this particular bag, it's still good. It's still intact. Look at the gorgeous bachetta on the side. And this one is a hard one on the bottom. So yeah, so far so good. I don't see any cracks or anything aside from the inside. The inside, I'm going to replace that with them. And then it does have a zipper on one side, and then an open pocket on the other side, and it's a big compartment right there. This one, I think this is a small one. I don't want to touch it anymore because my hand is sticky already, and then if I touch this, it's gonna be sticky and stuff. I already did on this part, so now I have to clean that up, so we don't want to ruin the bag. So yeah, so I really like this one. This is a project bag that we can give to anybody. So yeah, if you enjoy this particular haul, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now. We're going to have a lot of this one in this particular channel of ours. And then we also, Sebastian and I, we do blogs of the adventures, travel adventures that we have every time that we go. We're going to have a Las Vegas blog for you guys, so stay tuned on that one. And then I'm gonna go to Paris at the end of the month, so we're going to have blogs on that too, so stay tuned on every single blogs that we're going to have. Let me know what you want to see, what you want to watch on this particular channel, and thank you very much for the love and support. This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. Do what makes you happy. Have a wonderful day. I will see you again in the next video. Bye. The one that we're going to replace, because they're going to change the linings because that one is sticky.